this video we will do some of the important questions from the exercise of structure of atom. Let's see what is the first question which is given. The question is, how many subshells are there in N shell? We are asked to write the subshells of N shell. We know N is the fourth shell. The value of N for N shell is 4. N is equal to 4. Then we have N shell. N is divided into 4 subshells which are 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. So there are 4 subshells for N shell. I hope this question is clear. Now see the next question which is given. The next question is, give notation for subshells of M shell. Now notation for M shell is N is equal to 3. For notation for M shell, N is equal to 3. It means when N is equal to 3, we have the third shell, that is M shell. M shell has 3 subshells. These 3 subshells are 3s, 3p and 3d. I hope this question is clear. Now see the next question which is given. The next question is, list the subshells of M shell in order of increasing energy. We are asked to list or arrange the subshells of M shell in the order of increasing energy. We know M has 3 subshells, 3s, 3p, 3d. Now we write these subshells in the increasing order of energy. 3s, then 3p, then 3d. So this is the increasing order of energy for these subshells. I hope this is clear. The next question which is given, the question is, how can you identify an atom without knowing the number of neutrons? How can you identify an atom without knowing the number of neutrons? We use the formula A minus Z to identify an atom without knowing the number of neutrons. The formula is number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, where A is mass number while Z is atomic number. Atomic number, that is Z, means number of protons, which must be equal to number of electrons in an atom, because atom is a neutral particle. So number of protons equal to number of electrons. Similarly, A means mass number, that is mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, that is sum of protons and neutrons which are present in the nucleus of an atom is known as mass number. So mass number is number of protons plus number of neutrons. So in this way, by using the formula A minus Z, we can identify an atom without knowing the number of neutrons in it. I hope this question is clear. Now we will see the next question which is given. The question is, the electronic configuration listed are incorrect. Explain what mistake has been made in each and write correct electronic configuration. Here electronic configuration of some elements are given. We are asked to point out what is the mistake in these electronic configuration, and we are asked to write the correct electronic configuration. Let's start solving the question. The first element X which is given has the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 3s2. We know, students, we must follow the off-bow principle for writing the electronic configuration. According to Aufbau principle, electron first fill the lowest energy sublevel. After complete filling of lowest energy sublevel, then electron move towards the next energy sublevel. So, what is the mistake in this X electronic configuration of element X? Here 2p is partially filled. We know what is the maximum capacity of p. P can accommodate maximum number of 6 electrons. Here p is partially filled and electrons fill in the next sub-energy level, that is in 3s. This is the mistake. Now we will write the correct electronic configuration for this element. So the correct electronic configuration for X is X is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6. This is the correct electronic configuration of element X. Now we will see what next element is given. Next element Y is given to us. Its electronic configuration which is given is 1s2, 2s1, 2p1. Here we will see the mistake. 2s is partially filled. We know what is the maximum capacity of S. S can accommodate maximum number of 2 electrons. Here S is partially filled and electron fill in 2p. This is a mistake. Now we will write the correct electronic configuration for element Y. The correct electronic configuration for element Y is Y is equal to 1s2, 2s2. This is the correct electronic configuration for element Y. I hope this is clear. Now see the next element which is given. The next element is Z is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p5, 3s1. The mistake in this configuration, electronic configuration is P is partially filled. Since the maximum capacity of P is 6 electrons. Here 5 electrons are present in P and 1 electron is written in 3s, which is incorrect. Now we will write the correct electronic configuration for P, the correct electronic configuration for element Z. So the correct electronic configuration is Z is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is the correct electronic configuration for element Z. I hope this question is clear to you.